This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
But my fortune is bad, and I am most wonderful poor. Oh, indeed, I intend my life for to mend and to
Ustream Producer.
down on the moor, my brave boys, and to build a house down on the moor. My father, he does keep fat oxen and
This is a
sheep.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Sweet little nag on the downs in the middle of the night when the moon shines bright. There's a number of work to be done, my brave boys. There's a number of work to
This is a
be
demonstration of
done.
Ustream Producer.
Then I'll ride all around in another man's land, and I'll claim a fat sheep for my own. Oh, I'll end off his life with the aid of my knife, and then I will carry him home, my brave.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
And then I will carry him home. My children, they will pull the skin from the ewe, and I'll be in a place where there's none. When the constable comes, I'll
This is a
stand with
demonstration of
my
Ustream Producer.
and I'll swear all I have is my own, my brave boys. And I'll swear all I have is my own. For I am a brisk lad, but my fortune
This
is
is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
and I am most wonderful poor. Oh, indeed, I intend my life for to mend and to build a house down on the moor.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
And to build a house down on the moor. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone.
This is a demonstration of
We
Ustream
are
Producer.
Foysters, and we started our set just then with what must be our most miserable song. It doesn't get much better than that, actually, just to warn you. That song was collected from my great-great-great-great-aunt Edith in 1907. And she left a legacy of 11 songs and song fragments which have been passed down as family heirlooms. I mean, some people get houses and jewellery and money, and I got 11 doses of misery from her, which I fully intend to pass to my children.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
A song that Benji's going to introduce.
Hello, I'm Benji. I'm going to introduce a song, just like Paul, my colleague here, said. This is called Broken Down Gentleman, the story of a rather unfortunate chap who ends up in an undesirable position.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
When I was young and in my prime, just 24 years old, I spent my time in Vanity, along with the ladies' ball, along with the ladies' ball, with silver buckles around my wrists, a cane all in my hand. No gentleman could be surpassed, no farmer in the land, no farmer in the land. I kept a bag of good house with boys and sons to me, for I didn't send my money to spend, and that you may plainly see, and that you may plainly see. I kept a coach and 6 horses, boys and races for to see. 'Twas here I spent £10,000, and that was the ruin of me, and that was the ruin of me. As I was turning home again, because it did run small, for I was a broken down gentleman, and that's the worst of it all, and that's the worst of it all. The landlord came all for his rent, and paid a secret free. They took away my coach and 6, and swore that they'd have me, and swore that they'd have me. The roads and trees around me came from them, I could not run. They took away all I had got, then I was quite undone, then I was quite undone. My wife would told she doesn't let my children run to cry, to think that I must lie in jail until the day I die, to think that I must lie in jail until the day I die, until the day I die.
Demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I spent my time in Vanity, and that was the ruin of me, and that was the ruin of me.
Thanks. Our next song was collected from Mary Ann Haynes, and Mary Ann Haynes was a great gypsy singer.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
She spent most of her life travelling around my neck of the woods, around Hampshire and Sussex. And we're very fortunate because we've actually got audio recordings of Mary Ann Haynes singing. Unlike many folk singers, when their songs have been written down, we've actually got physical copies, reproductions of her singing. And she had an amazing repertoire, a really wide and splendid repertoire. But for some reason, we've decided to do her worst song. And this is a sort of anti-love
This is
song,
a demonstration
really.
of
It's called
Ustream
Love Me
Producer.
Tonight. Oh, the first time that we met, it was in a
demonstration of
When the
Ustream
pinks
producer.
of roses around us they stood, when you pulled off your apron, shielded me from the wind. Oh, John, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind? Oh, John, lovely Johnny, do you mind the day you came to my window to steal me away? You promised to marry me above all
Ustream
female
producer.
kind. Tell me now, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind? And the first place that we courted, it is well known, was in my father's garden, where the wild winds do blow, with your white apron round us, shielding us from the wind. Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, Johnny, what has altered your
Ustream
mind?
Ustream producer.
I never intended to make you my best. I never intended to make you my wife. Oh, Annie, lovely Annie, Annie, all the days of my life. Then a bunch of blue ribbons, frogs I happen wear, and a wreath of forget-me-nots I wind round my hair. And if ever he comes again, I'll crown him with joy, and I'll kiss the sweet lips of my Johnny boy. Where the pinks and wild roses around us they stood, when you pulled off your apron, shielded me from the wind. Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, Johnny, what has altered your mind?
Thank you. We'll crack on with some more misery, if that's okay with you. It's what we do best, really. And none more so than this song, the song called The Old Miser. It tells the story of a nasty old man who basically sells his daughter's boyfriend into slavery.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
I have to say, as the father of a 14-year-old daughter, I think he's bang on here. Spot on. We've got a few records and CDs here. We actually have some vinyl. Vinyl. Come on, we're not that far out Canto season, are we? And this song's on the vinyl. Come and have a look.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
There was an old miser in London did well. He had but one daughter who was sailor loved her well. When this old miser was out of the way, she was courting her sailor by night and by day. And when this old miser became for to know. Straight away to the captain, straight away he did go, saying, Captain, oh Captain, good news I have to tell, for I've got a young sailor, a transport to sell. Oh, what will you give me? This miser did say, I'll give you 10 guineas, I'll take him away, I'll take him, I'll send him straight over the main, and he'll never come to England to court her again. Damsel became for to know, straight away to the captain, straight away she did go, saying, Captain, oh Captain, bad news I have to tell, for you've got my young sailor, a transport to sell. Oh no, says the captain, that never will be, for your father he sold him as a transport to be, and I took him, I've sent him straight over the main, and he'll never come to England to court you again. She put her hand in her pocket, pulled out handfuls of gold, straight down to the quarter-deck, 100 she told, said, I'll give you this money, twice as much more, if you'll grant me my sailor, the lad I adore. Oh no, says the captain, that never will be, for your father he sold him as a transport to be. I took him, I've sent him straight over the main, and he'll never come to England to court her again. So put a curse on my parents, wheresoever they be, for I think in my own heart they're quite the ruin of me. I'll go out to my cottage and sit myself down, and all night for my sailor, all night I will mourn.
A Ustream producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Thanks. We're going to do another traditional English song. Most of what we play is traditional folk music, mostly from England. And this one is also from England, which is east of here somewhere. This is a song called Banks of the Nile, which is
this is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
In some kind of battle some time ago. One of the more enduring themes of folk songs is that of war and battle, as there's always fighting going on somewhere.
We thought it was a very appropriate time of year to be performing a song called Banks of the Nile, because it is indeed the Lent season, and the more
This
pious
is a demonstration
during
of
Lent
Ustream producer.
in denial.
That was a joke, all right.
Tell you what, they laughed at that joke in England.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Thanks a lot. We'll perform a song now which was collected by Cecil Sharp, who's arguably the greatest folk song collector in England. It's called The American Stranger, and it's a song he found up in Newcastle. We'll pair it, however, with a tune that I wrote for a friend's wedding many years ago now.
Demonstration of Ustream Producer.
From the Debenhams list. So I wrote my friend's tune as a wedding present. And my friend, she was very beautiful. So I called this tune the Princess Waltz. Although actually, judging by the subsequent history of the marriage, I needn't have bothered. The tune is tinged with melancholy, really, because she was marrying someone else and not me. However, it was a long time ago.
This is a
like
demonstration of
Ustream
Ustream Producer.
Agree with me that I made quite a lucky escape. She's going to turn up to a gig, actually. I'm going to be smacking them out.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
From America I came. There's no one that knows me or can tell to me my name. I'm a stranger in this country, and I've tarried here a while. I've rambled from my darling.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Some say I am rakish, some say I am wild. Some say I am rakish, pretty girls to be gone. But to prove myself loyal, you shall go along with me.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
America, my darling, for two. We're all bound for America, our ship will soon set sail. Kind heaven will protect us with a smooth and prosperous sail. Here's a health to pretty Polly, she's the girl.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Likewise to pretty Susan, although she's so poor.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Here's a health to pretty Betsy, my joy and heart's delight. I'll roll her in my arms on a cold frosty night. And when we are
Demonstration of Ustream
married,
Producer.
we'll dance and we'll sing, all in a mountainous country, good fortune to bring. On the middle of the ocean, there grows a myrtle tree. That's if ever I prove false to the girl that loves me.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Darkness and the stars shall give no light. That's if ever I prove false to my own heart's delight. I'm a stranger in this country, from America I came. There's no one that knows me.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
I'm a stranger in this country, and I take it alive. I've rambled from my darling for many's the long
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer. Ustream producer. Of Ustream producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
The song called The Prentice Boy. This is a story of unnecessary murder. Jimmy the Prentice Boy has a girlfriend, and he has his girlfriend until verse 3.
Producer.
I served my master for 7 years, and long there could I stay.
producer.
For the memory of my own sweetheart, how hanged I must be. Do you fancy a chorus, Cardiff? Fancy singing? Good. This is a song called Blow the Windy Morning, which has a chorus.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Fancy joining in? If you don't fancy joining in, just sort of shout at us during the chorus. Interesting.
Ustream producer.
Along the road till they came unto the inn, and ready was the waiting maid to let the lady in. And it's blow the windy morning, blow the winds high on, clear away the morning dew, and sweep the winds along. So she's jumped off her milk white steed and stepped into the inn, crying, "You are just a rake without, and I'm a maid within." As blow the windy morning, blow the winds high on, clear away the morning dew, and sweep the winds shall blow.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Your shoes and hose, and let your feet go bare. And if you meet a pretty girl, you touch her if you dare. And it's blow the windy morning, blow the winds high on, clear away the morning dew, and sweep the wind shall blow. Pull off my shoes or hose, nor let my feet go bare. And if I meet with you again, may I find a spare. And blow the windy morning. warmed your voices up, fancy another chorus? Rude not to, really, isn't it? There's a song called The Humpback Whale, the Ballina Whalers, which started out life in 1970 in Australia. It's one of the only things that we do that isn't traditional and English.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
And he set it to music, but in a slightly nuts kind of a way. A man called Nick Jones found it and slowed it down and made it into a beautiful thing that I decided I had to steal, and so steal it I have. Stolen it I have, surely. We'll play a tune with this. It's called The 8th of July. Chorus happens lots and lots and lots of times, so I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. The tune accompanying this
demonstration of Ustream producer.
Lonnie Donegan when he sang the Battle of New Orleans. There you go. So if you know the chorus of that, join in with that as well.
Ustream producer.
'56 sailed on board a ship called Byron One. She carried trawler men on deck and a harpoon wailing gun, and all you trawler men forget your snapper and your prawn for a town of Ballina.
Producer.
For the humpback whale, keep a sharp lookout for lads, for the whale he's on the run, and we'll drive him into Byron Bay and shoot him with our guns, and all you trawler men forget your snapper and your prawn for a town of Ballina.
Producer.
For the humpback whale, harpoon and the lines lie through, very deep into the whale, and she split the timbers of our ship with a flurry of her tail, and all you trawler men forget your snapper and your prawn. For it's out of Ballina we'll sail, fishing for the humpback whale. All the rigging struts are snapped in two, we reel beneath the below, then a gun fires the killer shot, and then a humpback set below, and all you trawler men forget your snapper and your prawn, for it's out of Ballina we'll sail, fishing for the humpback whale.
Ustream producer.
Make a tail fast the bow, we've got no time for bed, 4 and 20 hours each day, we kept the factory fed, and all you trawler men forget your snapper and your prawn, for it's out of Ballina we'll sail, fishing for the humpback whale. For it's out of Ballina we'll
producer.
Headed for the bar, and we filled ourselves with beer and oh, you shoulder man, forget your snapper and your prawn, for it's out of Ballina we'll sail, fishing for the humpback whale, for it's out of Ballina we'll sail, fishing for the humpback
Of Ustream producer.
whale.
Demonstration of Ustream producer.
Thank you.
This is a
you very much.
demonstration of Ustream producer.
And we're going to finish our little set now, ladies and gentlemen. So we'd like to thank you all for listening. And we'd like to thank Matt Williams, our sound engineer, who's sitting amongst you. And also Mark, the house engineer, who helped us out setting up. We've been called Foysters, by the way. And in fact, when we leave, we'll probably still be called Foysters. We've got some CDs and things for sale over there. We have a very
This is
special
a
deluxe
demonstration
edition
of
on,
Ustream producer.
vinyl. Extremely good value. If any of you still got a record player. We're going to finish off with a sea shanty as we're next to the sea.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
We've also got a special offer. We're doing a big gig in London on the 21st of June, Midsummer Madness gig. And if you'd like a free ticket to that, come and have your photo taken with all three of us after the performance. And if you post that up on your social media, which I believe is Facebook or Twitter, or put it
This
up
is
on
a
our
demonstration
pages,
of Ustream producer.
if you don't know how to use social media, ask a young person. And while you're getting your photo taken with us, you can have a look at our special vinyl, double vinyl offer. £20 only for 2 LPs and 2 CDs. This is a sea shanty called The Old Eye Man, and it's got a very rude word in it, which makes the whole song worthwhile.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Oh, the Oxeye Man is the man for me. He was born and bred in Tennessee. With your Oxeye, rather than to shore with your Oxeye. Steady on the tiller with your Oxeye, you are the Oxeye Man.
This is a demonstration
Oh,
of
hand me
Ustream
down my
producer.
walking cane. I'm off to see my darling Jane with your Oxeye, rather than to shore with your Oxeye. Steady on the tiller with your Oxeye, you are the Oxeye Man. Well, I came to a shack where Sally did dwell, knocked on her door and I rang her bell with your Oxeye, rather than to shore with your Oxeye. Steady on the tiller with your Oxeye, you are the Oxeye Man.
shore with your wrong side. Steady on the tiller with your wrong side. Oh, you are the young side man.
Ustream producer. It's an oxide ship and an oxide crew, oxide main to the skipper's room with your oxide on. Steady on tiller with your oxide on, you are the oxide Of Ustream producer.
Thanks. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.